How to replace a hose bib. This hose bib has been a problem for a little bit. It's been leaking inside the crawl space. For this, we're gonna need a drill with a Phillips head screwdriver bit, a 3/8 hexagonal bit, pipe dope, Teflon tape. The orange tool, we gotta mark this 1/2-inch pecs, which you also need 1/2-inch pecs. Gonna need a wedding ring clamper. Gonna need a pecs cutter, a new hose bib, and a 1/2-inch pecs male adapter, and a wedding ring. First, we gotta take the hose off the hose bib. Also gonna need a T30 star bit. Now we gotta turn the water off inside. If like before the hose bib. Thankfully this system has a valve like right here, so we just gotta close this. But if you don't have this, then you gotta close the valve or like stop the water somewhere before the hose bib. Like if it's at the source, like where the water first comes into your house or apartment or whatever, then you gotta turn it off there. But in this case, we can just turn the water off here. It's also gonna need 2 wrenches, one to hold the shark bite in place and the other to take the hose bib out. All right, so for the last portion, we just spun it out on the other side with our hands, and this is how it went in there and everything. So it's actually real small. You can barely see that, but there's a crack right there. Like the pipe expanded a little bit and then just cracked right there, and then water was spraying out of there. So got our 1/2-inch PEX male adapter here. We're gonna put Teflon tape on it, and then we're gonna put some pipe dope on it. It's probably a bit overkill, but that's just how we do it at my job. So we're gonna do it. All right, so now we're gonna thread this into the old female shark bite. Male and female, sex jokes. Now we got our PEX here. We're gonna feed it through the hole in the wall to the male adapter. I'm gonna put the wedding ring on. Now we got our wedding ring crimper, and we're gonna crimp the wedding ring. PEX cutter, cut the PEX. We're gonna mark the PEX where it's aligned with the wall, so we know where to cut it, and then we'll put the wedding ring on and the hose bib on. Push it out a little bit. Crimp the wedding ring behind the hose bib. Open the valve inside, and now I'll test it. To finish up, we're gonna close the valve inside because we gotta winterize this. Now we're gonna open this. Close it. I'll leave the hose disconnected. And we're all done. Like and subscribe.